Okay, there is this new way to merge dictionary in Python 3.9. It's the future version of Python. And you see there is the symbol of union here, where you can join together two dictionaries. And if they have a key in common, like here, like Brett, um, the the one on the right will um, will have his value in the dictionary, in the new dictionary. So you see here A union with B. The bread will have the number 8 of the second one. So the second one, the right one, will have its value in the new dictionary if they have a key in common. And instead, this one that is union equal, don't know how to call it, but we'll have will it's like this one, but and we'll update the A so that this one, the one on the left, will be updated with the new, so to say, values of B. And so you see that uh, it was 10 and now it's been updated, to say so, with the value of B. So this is the new way to merge dictionaries in the next future version of Python 3.9.